Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Today we want to make you some nice lovely fresh ginger water. Basically ginger water is very good for belly fat or for your stomach or for digestion or if you have an upset stomach. Do this for at least 5 days and see 5 morning and see exactly what happened to your body. The way I'm going to make you this nice lovely fresh ginger water which is good for your tummy, look at this video. It's amazing. It's simple. I did a video on my other YouTube channel with Chef Ricardo cooking show. You can go over and see exactly what I'm talking about. So I decided to share this on my Juice Bar channel to share with some of my fans them to say, listen, sometimes it is good for you to use natural ingredients and natural stuff at home. Today we want to make you a nice lovely fresh ginger water which is burn out all those things inside of your stomach and renewing your stomach fresh and nice. Okay, so guys, very simple recipe, very easy to make, but how you make it, look at this from Chef Ricardo today. Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook and Google Plus me and get your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team today. So don't go anywhere. Please stay there and watch this video. Ginger water. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I'm gonna say right here I have a bottle of water. If you want to bring this to work with you, it is good for you to bring it to work. So we're gonna get a fat chunk piece of a ginger, and all that we're going to do is to simply remove the skin from the ginger. The skin of the ginger is very good, but sometimes it is good for you to just remove the skin from the ginger and blend the ginger naturally. Alright, so you get a fat chunk piece of a ginger like this. And all you're going to do, cut it up into some pieces. Nicely. And then put it straight inside of a ninja blender, and then you're gonna get half glass of water and pour it inside of it like this. Nicely. So what we're going to do now is to blend this about 3 to 4 minutes. Nice and lovely. So once you blend it out like this, some people doesn't like to have the fiber. You can always strain it if you like, guys, honestly. So you can strain it just like this, get rid of the fiber. Nice one. Once you get rid of the fiber, you're pretty good to go. And all you're going to do in the morning, this is what you can do. Get a glass of water and pour a little bit in it like this. And drink it for 5 mornings and see exactly what's going to happen to your body and your immune system, guys. Not only that, you can also simple have a bottle of water and pour a little bit in it like this. Alright, and not only that, you can pop a little bit of apple cider vinegar inside of it and drink it the first thing in the morning. I'm always saying to my fans, give it a shake and you can see the change of color of the water. So that's the proper ginger water which I'm talking about all along for my fans. I'm just say, listen, this is very good, and I introduce that to you guys that, definitely 100% you guys can do the same thing at home. Look after your immune system, cleanse out your body and get. So if you look at the ginger water, it look totally different and it affect where you get it from the ginger water. I want to take the time out to say, guys, it's just the time you have to do to make it. So basically what you can also do, you can make a nice little bottle like this and put it into your fridge and use it for 1 week. Ginger water, good for your stomach and for your belly. If you want to get some more information, as I say, you can always type up on Google what's the benefit for ginger, because ginger have a lot of benefit. Garlic, lemon, and all these things. I want to take the time out to say thank you so much, guys, for tuning into my show. And don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, and Google Plus to get your latest update and Chef Ricardo YouTube channel. I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye-bye. From Chef Ricardo. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as I say, if you want to get a flat tummy, this is where you can simply do some nice lovely work at yourself. As I say, drink some ginger water for 5 morning and see exactly what can happen to you on an empty stomach. Empty stomach, empty stomach. That's the key. That's the thing which you need to do. Yeah, thank you for tuning in. And as I say, don't forget, click on the subscribe bell button and get a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas. As I say, we have a lot more recipes and a lot more things coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and get the latest update. That and Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel, and don't forget the food news channel. Keep you updated.